Congratulate yourself. This is a highly private and sensitive video. The only reason you are able to watch this now is because of two reasons. 1, your current location. 2, somebody who likes you recommended you for it. So switch off all your distractions and turn up your speakers. This video needs your full attention. $1,700 per day. That's right. I'm about to show you exactly how you could earn up to a crazy $1,700 every single day, and even more with one weird but very simple trick. Trust me, this is not a joke. Today is about to be a very special day for you. So give me your full focus for the next 5 minutes, as it could be worth up to $1,700 every single day for you. Are you sick of going through life without having your financial future secured? Are you ready to retire early and to retire wealthy? Now, what if I told you that you could make a lot of money consistently on a daily basis, despite your background, age, or skill set, by doing something that everybody knows about, but fails to use? Would that excite you? This is the opportunity I'm going to present to you today. My system has made 237 people more than $20,000 each in the last 3 weeks. This could change your life forever. You are literally just a few clicks away from earning up to $1,700 each day. The only thing I love more than making money is making money fast, and that is exactly what I do with my incredible trick. Seriously, you are practically already a millionaire. The only reason you have not realized your potential is because you do not know how to truly use something that you already possess. $1,700 a day is the bare minimum I want to see you earn, as many of my top students earn double and sometimes even triple that on a daily basis.
I'm earning fast money on a daily basis, thanks to the fast profits method, and I truly couldn't be happier.
Hey, what's going on, guys? A quick message here. Look, if your finances are not going the way that you want them to go, then listen to what Michael has to say, because this has completely changed my life, and I have no doubt that it will also change yours. I'm making serious, and I mean serious money with this fast profit system. Check it out.
I'm a full-time mom, and I'm able to earn fast profits while being at home with the help of this incredible system.
I've already earned more money than I could have possibly imagined, and I'm looking very forward to earning a lot more.
These guys are not unique. They are not doing anything that many others are not doing as you are watching this video now. They are also not doing anything that you are not able to do either. Listen, I want to change your life. I want you to enjoy the freedom, the happiness, and financial independence that you truly deserve. Accomplishing all your dreams and desires is a lot easier than you have been led to believe. Let me show you something. I earned $2,821,948.16 last year using my incredible fast profits trick. One crazy day, I once generated $9,483.18 using the fast profits trick I am revealing to you today. I want you to ask yourself a question right now. What do you truly desire in life? And could the income I earn help you to fulfill those desires? Allow yourself to be selfish. How much money would you really like to earn on a daily basis? Now all you need in order to do what I am doing is 1. A laptop or PC, 2. Wi-Fi connection, 3. The hunger to succeed. I love to see people succeed. Helping others achieve the same success I have achieved fills me with an unexplainable sense of satisfaction. And after watching this short video, you are going to see exactly why countless other people and myself are earning millions of dollars online. Now let me tell you something important. I am freaking lazy. I only like to spend an hour online a day, which means you could earn even more than I do. Yes, I'm lazy, however, I am still able to clear over $2 million a year. The best thing is, I earn a lot of profits from my endeavors, but more importantly, I earn my profits fast. Would you like to generate your own online income streams capable of earning millions of dollars a year? Earning a lot of money from the comfort of your own home is not a myth. This is the age of the internet, and I have embraced it with both hands. You could become a very wealthy individual. The only thing stopping you is the lack of knowledge. If you have ever been burnt, struggled, or given up hope while trying to make money from the internet, then this video is your salvation. I am offering you a genuine opportunity to legally earn life-changing amounts of money online using a simple trick that others and myself are exploiting to earn a lot of money. Making money could be a lot easier than you have been led to believe. You can succeed online. In fact, you deserve to succeed. Today I'm going to show you how I generate fast profits from e-commerce. E-commerce is the biggest thing on the internet right now, and what is making people the most money. It is even bigger than Facebook. Just look at Amazon for confirmation of that. There is fortune to be made from the internet, and I'm going to show you a weird trick that could show you how to tap into the trillion-dollar market and earn at least $1,700 each day. The incredible thing is you do not even need to invest crazy money to make crazy money. There is no stock to buy, no inventory, and no pesky stock control. What would you do if you were wealthy? What car would you buy? Where would you go for vacations? Would you ever work again? Or maybe your biggest concern is making sure that your loved ones will never have to struggle or work as hard anymore. You just want true financial freedom. And believe me, you can get this. Forget about affiliate marketing, forget about binary or forex trading, and you can sure as hell forget about filling in online surveys to try and make money. This is the real deal. When was the last time you purchased something online? And how much was that purchase for? You gave somebody your hard-earned money and are helping them to become rich. Isn't it time people started giving you money, and lots of it? Did you know this year that over $1 trillion will be spent on e-commerce stores? This is a mind-blowing amount, but wouldn't you like to get even the smallest fractions of that into your pocket? Let me help you with this. I have a weird trick that could see you earn fast profits starting today, and you don't even need to have any products to sell to earn $1,700 a day. As I said before, I am personally earning over $2 million a year while spending just an hour a day on my laptop. I have built myself an online empire that brings me in fast profits, and now it's your turn. There are teenagers out there who are making millions of dollars a year while still in school. It is no coincidence that the richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, has earned his fortune from e-commerce. Now let me show you how you could also earn a lot of money with my little trick. You are about to be handed an unfair advantage over the others. My name is Michael Carson. I'm a business analysis and consultant by profession, and previously the consultancy agency that I co-owned was responsible for helping companies generate over $628 million in total revenue each year. Let's say I was very successful at my job. However, I must admit it pained me to see all these company executives and owners make so much money as a result of my efforts. I could literally help a company increase its revenue by as much as 63% by taking their business online. It was clear to me a long time ago that everything was going to go digital, and I helped companies capitalize on that. I even took small mom-and-pop restaurant sales online and saved them from extinction. My consultancy business was booming, and my clients were very happy and very profitable. But what about me? They were getting rich and making lots of money, while I was working up to 18 hours a day to keep them happy. Sure, I was being paid for my services, but they were the ones getting rich, while I would go home late every night, hoping to give my daughter a goodnight kiss before she went to sleep. My family life was suffering, while my clients were enjoying the fruits of my labor. Not to mention the long hours of work was starting to take a huge toll on my health. One day I came home extremely late after important client meetings and had found my daughter was already asleep before I arrived. On her bedside table was a note that simply said, "Dear Mom, I wish I could spend more time with Daddy." That cut through me like a hot knife through butter. It was heartbreaking to read that note, and I knew I had to make a decision. You see, up until that point, I thought that all the hard work and long hours I had been working was for the greater good of my family. This was the day I saw that I had gotten it horribly wrong. What was the point of working so hard if you can't enjoy quality time with your loved ones? I sold my equity to my business partner and quit the business just like that. I've always wanted to work from home and had played around with affiliate marketing, forex trading, and other business opportunities in the past. Although I had made okay money, my focus was on my agency. One of my clients I worked with was big in e-commerce and was generating over $45,000 a day selling his products. He came to me as no matter how hard he tried, he could not scale his business. After analyzing his business, I noticed a really weird pattern that he was not capitalizing on. I had a crazy idea to try a little hack that I felt I could adapt not only to his business, but to any online business. Within 48 hours of applying my weird trick, his revenue was up by 24%. After another 7 days, I had taken his revenue up by 67%. Even I was shocked by this revenue increase. So after quitting my company, I decided to systemize my method so that I could apply it to any online business. But remember, I had no intention of working all hours around the clock anymore. I wanted to work from home and to be able to make a lot of money without even owning or shipping any products. More importantly, I wanted to earn my money fast. After researching and spending over $27,000 testing my system, I came up with a weird trick that was capable of earning me at least $800 a day. I became obsessive with my system and wanted to perfect it so that absolutely anybody could use it. Eventually, I got it so it could make at least $1,700 a day. Then I let my completely computer illiterate father try it out without my guidance. After a few clicks, he was set up and made $1,182.93 in his first day of using it. I was delighted because I knew I would never have to miss quality time with my daughter again. I was making fast profits on a daily basis, and so did every person I allowed to use it. The best thing about it is you can even get started today. Within 8 clicks of the mouse, you could also be earning up to $1,700 a day. I am presenting you with the opportunity to make a lot of money from your own home. In addition, you could make up to $1,700 in fast profits when you use my weird trick. I'm going to take a wild guess now. You know absolutely nothing about e-commerce, except how to add products to a cart, pull out your credit card, and wait for your purchase to be delivered, right? So you are probably sat there wondering, how can you become rich from it? Well, the good news is, you do not need to know a single thing about business. You do not need any previous experience of the retail industry. You do not need to know exactly what to sell online. Heck, you don't even need to own any stock to make a fortune online selling products. All you need to do is follow a proven system that is responsible for generating tens of millions of dollars each year. Many people are earning fast profits with my secret system, and it has changed many lives, and now it is your turn.
Honestly, guys, I cannot stress how big an impact fast profits has had on my life. It was the best decision I ever made, and I have no doubt it will also be your best decision too. The $58,000, $274.19 I earned last month from the system is no joke.
After many years of hardship, I finally found a way to provide for my family and give them the luxury they deserve. We no longer struggle to pay bills, and we go on vacation whenever we want. It's all thanks to you, Michael, and your amazing fast profit system.
I am a fast profit user who has not only generated me over $217,000 in profits, but I'm also totally debt-free now.
Wow, within 48 hours of using Michael's system, I made over $438 in profits, and within 2 weeks, I was averaging $1,900 every day. And if I can do it, so can you.
Let me also show you how a typical week works for me. There are millionaires being created every month via their online activities. You are no different than them. There are guys who are earning over $25,000 a day in net profits and are building businesses they could easily sell for X times their revenue. I have helped my family and close friends become wealthy with my fast profits trick, and now I want to do the same for you. I'm about to hand you the keys to my system so that you can see for yourself the ease at which it generates huge profits. I want you to earn more money than you have ever made in your life, because you deserve it. We all deserve success, and this is your chance to get what is yours. This is not about me. This is about you. You're here because you want to change your life and build a solid income online. And this is where my fast profits trick could help you. I want you to set up your very own profitable e-commerce stores starting today. You will discover all of the secrets I used to earn $2,821,948.16 in the last 12 months. This is a complete all-in-one solution, and we'll see you get started as soon as today. These are exciting times ahead of you, and e-commerce gives ordinary guys like us the opportunity to make significant amounts of money online. It truly is the biggest and most profitable thing online right now, and the barriers to entry are ridiculously low. Anyone with a laptop and internet connection can start earning a lot of money online today. This is exactly what I do with my fast profits trick. If you thought things could not get any better than this, check this out. You will be blown away to know I am practically giving my fast profits method away for nothing. Let's say you are even lazier than me and are happy to earn anything up to even $500 a day. What would that be worth to you? But before you answer that question, I'm going to give you the biggest reason possible why you can 100% put your trust into me. It is impossible for you to fail. I am making this a win-win situation for you. I want you to try our fast profits with full confidence and with zero risk to you. Here is exactly how I'm going to do it. If you try out Fast Profits today, I am going to give you an extended 100% no questions asked money back guarantee. Yeah, that's right. You simply cannot lose. I stand by my Fast Profits and use it on a regular basis to build my wealth. I believe in it so much and know that if you follow my method, you will have your first profit store up and running in less than 24 hours. And if for any reason whatsoever you are not happy with my system within the first 60 days, then not only will I give you a full no questions asked refund, but I will insist that you take your money back. So you can feel safe knowing that you have a full 60 days to test it out and start building your online empire with zero risks. So now that I've made this a no-brainer for you, let's get back to making fast profits. Remember, Fast Profits is responsible for making its users an average of $1,700 a day. What would you pay for something like that? I know personally I could have charged even $5,000 for something like this, but as I mentioned before, I want this to be a total no-brainer for you. There's enough money circulating in this world for us all to get our fair share. For this reason, I am going to give you full access to Fast Profits for the very small one-time price displayed on this page. That's less than the price you would pay for a decent meal. You will pay this small price once for a lifetime membership. This is not a subscription service, and please remember, it is fully backed by my 60 days money-back guarantee. It is time to make an important decision. Do you want to join the others who have changed their lives with the hottest income-generating system available right now, or are you happy to continue worrying about your future? Seriously, if you cannot invest in your future for the tiny nominal fee on this page, then you should definitely exit this page right now. Making fast profits is not for you. If you can truly let this small fee get in the way of not only your success and financial future, but also your family's, then you do not deserve my Fast Profits trick. I have even given you a full money-back guarantee. You will not regret it. Hit the button to start earning fast profits now.